Hey, welcome to Woodturning today. This is not going to be a project. This is a more of, look what we got ourselves into video. A couple of years ago. 4 years ago, a tornado came through and we got a call to come get some free black walnut. And my buddy Herschell and his son James helped me out. It was awesome. And, but it took some big equipment. This is some huge wood. So Herschell was nice enough to store the wood for me. A couple of years it's been here. 4 years it's been here, and now it's time to cut it up. It turns out we managed to put it in what is a perfect kiln. So this is what we have to cut up today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Helps to have big friends. Mentioned that I hate chainsaws. I love Herschell. It's only 100 degrees today.
Oh, thank you.
Gas, and I think I did too. That's about it. So we took one big pile of wood and made a bigger pile of wood. Also, when you chainsaw with the concrete, your blade gets really dull. So anyway, we're out of the hole on that one. Now we just have to figure out where to go store it. Looking at Herschell, I think I'm storing it in my place.